What's going on YouTube? Watching the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. I was at Torrance a couple days ago. 20% off, 30% off here. So that is better. Okay. They do have a lot of refurbished boxes up top. I just saw someone up front with like 20 refurbished boxes. Obviously it's a reseller. Hopefully they didn't take everything good. These are pretty clean. That iridescent stuff with the midsole right there. Infinity Run 4s right here. Nike by You go for $95. Remember, you do get another 30 off, so like pretty much 60 bucks. Icon 9s go for 70. This is the size 10. Witness 7s, a really bright colorway, $53. Blazer mids go for 55. Stadium 90s, these are 9.5. Jordan 1 High Gore-Tex right here, size 10. So you got some decent stuff here. 2 bills for these bad boys. Some dunks right here. These are 115, size 10. Jordan 1 Low. These are the SC with that super soft leather. Every time I see those, man, it's super nice. Colorway, I'm not a fan of. $110 for those. And now Huarache Nike by U's go for 75. Those are slightly imperfect. Jordan 37 Lows, gently worn, go for 98. Air Max 90s, pretty clean. Got some suede on it. Regular price though, size 10. I was like, what infrared 6s? What the hell? No, not really. CG Mountain Fly 2 Lows go for 75. LeBron 21s, these are 10. Thought I was in the 9.5 section, apparently not. Those bad boys right there, 210. Get that extra discount. Got some Dunk mids right here, size 9. Let's get 30% off, not bad. That's what I'm talking about. J's for 30% off, size 8 right there, 210. The women's size 9.5, so that's what size 8. Pretty solid deal on those as well. Jordan 1 Low Golf right here, size 10.5, 140. Jordan 1 Low size 9, 115. 9.5. Got the 2s right here, go for 200. KD 16s, 160. I told you I did see one of the resellers grab a bunch of stuff earlier. They did have Air Force One Lows. And usually those are marked like 60 bucks. So yeah, grabbing those for hella cheap. That's pretty dope. Got Witness 8s right here, 5.5. These are going for 100 right here. Air Max 1 Premiums. We've seen these cheaper. Palm slides right there. That's regular price for 50. At least you get 30 off for those. Moving up in size. I did see this. Look at this. This is a size 10. I guess I missed it. Vaporfly Next Percent 3s. Yeah, it does have something similar to AtomNet. It does look like AtomNet, but yeah, it looks pretty comfy. Obviously, it does have carbon fiber, all that stuff. $260. Let's get 30% off. That's what's up. It's like under 200 bucks. Size 11 Blazer, gently worn, going for 53. Do got some Jordan 38s, 11.5, go for 100, slightly imperfect. We got Pegasus 40s going for 65. Remember the extra discount. Here's what I'm talking about right here. This is an Air Force One. It is slightly imperfect. So you can go over it and see if there's some yellowing or something. Like I said, in my experience, a lot of the slightly imperfects are fine, but look at that, 65 bucks. So under $50 after the discount. Infinity Run 4 is $110 for these. Size 12 Metcon 8s going for 78. Those are like new. Max R's right here going for 95. Got some foams right here. Foam Posit 1s. Size 6.5 wide, go for 240 though. Dang, good. Jordan 1 mids right here going for 135. Size 13 Big Feet Gang, $85. Not bad. What are these? Still 140. Size 13. $60, so I would think the smaller size is also $60. It doesn't have an extended size pricing tag like this one right here, so that's not bad. That's not bad for those. Wish they had the blue one at that price. I'd buy the blue ones. a freaking, what, $42? Holy crap, that's cheap. Huge feet gang right here. Cosmic Unity 3s. 55 for those right there. Remember, you do an extra 30 off. Stadium 90s right here going for 70. Biggest Turbo Next Nature's 75. These are Jetly 1. Then extra big feet gang right here. Oh wait, this one's size 15. That's not bad. 80 bucks. But these have all been like insane huge. Size 18s. 100 bucks. Got 17 right here. And then got these size 14. These are 135 those. Regular price. At least you get 30 off. Last week they did not have 30% off apparel anywhere. So we're back with 30% off. Pretty excited to see that. But do they have anything dope though? They got a little pullover. 70 down to 31 and then an extra 30 off. Jordan shirts. Got nice embroidered Jumpman logo on it. $25 for those. Tri-Fit polo right here, $50 for these. What is this? What the hell is this? Oh, it's a ACG. It's a raft. 55. Holy cow! And whose jersey is that? LeBron James. Dang, full price though. Full price and then 20 off, I guess. And the XL do have some ACG. A little jacket right here going for 180. I got a triple XL. One of these going for 80. We've seen a bunch of these at Ross for 10 bucks. Short section been kind of underwhelming lately. 45 for this Jordan fleece shorts right here. These cargo type of pants, or khaki type of pants. $73. Holy cow. Let's check out this clearance rack instead. A little bit more interesting. These going for $45. These are double XL though. Someone was not happy that one doesn't have a tag. Got fleece jackets for 30. Is this one tech fleece? This one looks like it's tech fleece. Definitely priced like tech fleece, $125. Oh, this is even a different one. This is a different one. No tag, but I'm pretty sure those are still like 130 or something. Oh wait, this is the same one. 145. I bet 145. Do have a Jordan windbreaker right here. Can't find the tag though. We got some pretty heavy jackets. $325 for those. Then this super heavy jacket as well. This is a Therma Fit. It is a small. $350 for this one as well. Alright, let's see what's in the aisles over here. Then we'll check out the kids. Check out the kids or women. It's one of those. Since they do have refurb, definitely worth checking the kids and women's clearance sections. Do got the chambres right here, up to a size, what is that, 14? But they're missing sizes though. No size 13, no size 12, no size 11. Yeah, Jordan 7. These are the white infrareds. That sizing up to size 13. Jordan 1 low golf right here. Jordan 1 low SE, and you get that extra 30 on top. Mids right here. AJKOs, these have been here forever. So have these Jordan 2s. These have been here for a cool minute as well, $120. Jordan 2 lows. I think these are somewhat new. These have been here for a minute, but they only have grade school. It's men's, but they only have a size 7. Got plenty of the budget signatures, as well as with the Jordan as well. Still got the Zoom Freak 5s. Couple of those. Jordan Air 200s. Air Max 2017s. LeBron Next Gens. Got a couple of those. Then another one on sale. Got one of the Airspan 2s right here. Pegasus Shield 38s. Look at that. Is that 35 bucks? And they still got the Hyper Dunk 2017s. Remember, everybody used to love these. I just can't forget about that, man. People used to go look for these at the clearance store. Man, people were hyped about those. We got Metcon 8s. Still got the Tatum 1s. This is the first time I've ever seen these here. Okay. It's like a Halloween colorway, but these are pretty nice. I heard that they're not the most stable for some people, but pretty decent. All right, so I am walking around. I saw one of the workers carrying this. So I was like, hey, let me look. Look at this. This is a size 9 right here. This is a size 9. It does have that refurbish tag on it, or refurbished stamp. That R right there, but look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Freaking $58. $58 for University Blue. And it's just gently worn. Freaking gently worn. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to see who might want this. But yeah, there's a little bit of glue right there maybe. Yeah, but 50 something dollars, or 58, you get 30% off, so under $50 even after tax. That is a steal. And I get the box set, which is kind of cool. But yeah, holy cow, that is crazy. That's why I like coming to the store. The worker hadn't even had a chance to tear this off yet. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'll definitely grab this. I'll grab this. And now I am checking the women's section over here. Jordan 11 low comforts, $130. These are 9.5 though. Size 10 women's, $88, slightly imperfect, and I have a feeling it's because it's fogged up like that. What you guys tell me? What you guys told me? Use a dryer. Use a dryer, and that'll clear that up. I have a couple of Air Maxes that I need to try that on. Infinity Run Nike by Use. Didn't we see this in the men's? No. Well, yeah, the men's is on top. I think this is technically should be in the men's. We saw that earlier. 8.5 right here. 8.5 women's, 95. See the women's is on top. The men's is on top. Yeah, $95 for these. These are slightly imperfect as well. Sabrina's right here, $130, 9.5. Blazer Lows right here, slightly imperfect. Don't know the price tag, or don't know the price since the price tag's off. Jordan 2s right here, $150. Got another Jordan 2s right here. What these go for? These go for $2 as well. These are some Dunk low twists right here. $120 for these. Anti-Maria Flyknits. These are $70. That's a hell of a deal. $75 for the Air Max 97s. Triple black. Super clean. Then I got these right here. Elevates. $68 for those. Karachi, $63. Slightly imperfect. Okay. All right, let's check out the women's aisles over here, see what's up. Got Air Max 2017s, Air Max 90s, Air Max Theas. Got a couple of those. Air Force Ones. Got some snakeskin, or faux snakeskin on that one. Platforms, couple of platforms. And by couple, I mean a trio of platforms. Blazer Low platforms. Whenever I see that, I'm like, what did I miss out on? What did we miss out on? I wanted to show you guys. But I've seen them refill and it's like nothing. So, you know, sometimes it's anticlimactic. Air Max 90s right here. Jordan 3s right here. Those black cement 3s would look fire without that gold. And 5s. Got Jordan 12s right here. These are the Alma Maniere. They got only up to size 10 women's. And these were originally like $225 or something. They got this colorway as well. And on this one, they only have up to size, oh, they got size 10 on this one as well. Do get the full boxes. I ordered mine from Alma Maniere. I think I paid like $275. They charged a ton for shipping, also for tax. So yeah, be able to get them full box, everything for $189.99. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Got Jordan 12s right here. What is this, a Hyper Royals or something? Got the shattered backboard. Jordan 1 Elevates. Got Blazers right here. Some canvas bad boys right here. Pink Oxford. Black White Sale. Alabaster. What the hell? Alabaster, right? I think so. Trying to learn correct grammar and stuff while I'm at the freaking Nike. What the hell, man? Got some Blazer Lows. Look, got a bunch of these. Look, so Jumpman Team 1s, $73. What's a size 8 men's? What's this? Air Max 97s, $93, slightly imperfect. Street Flies, these are $85. Yeah, I'm being hella nosy. Jordan 5, these are the Jordan 5. Shit, I forgot which one these were. I forgot, but these didn't come out too long ago. But $100, look at this, $100, 9.5. Remember, 30% off, so 70 freaking dollars. Then Invincible Run Flyknit 3s. So freaking comfy, dude. These are so freaking fire. I do want these eventually. Yeah, 108. So what's that? 80, under 80 bucks. Under 80 bucks, man. That's what's up. Just browse the men's section real quick just to see if I missed out on anything. And it looks like someone returned one of these, the LeBron 3s. These are freaking tanks. These are tanks, and I didn't realize this is size 13. I didn't realize they went up to 240. Really? 240. You should get 30% off. That's pretty fire. That's dope. That's a size 13. All right, so I am gonna grab one of these. Dang, this back part is like perforated, so it like tears up quick. I barely touched it and it's already coming off. What the hell, man? What the hell? What the hell? But yeah, I'm gonna grab these. I think these are gonna come out to like 40 bucks. Like 40 bucks, dude. 40 bucks for these. That's just insane. You know what? They do have a couple other sections where they have 30% off. So we're definitely gonna look at this before we head out. Yeah, I got Jumpman shorts right here. It does have a big Jordan sign on the front. These were $60 down to $46. You do get that extra 30% off. Got just Nike basketball shorts going for $37 right here. Then do got these right here. More shorts. Price on these bad boys, $25, small, medium, large. Got some t-shirts, $27, a little pricey for those. Shorts only right here, $35, 20% off of these. And then I did forget this section right here. They got a bunch of sweats and stuff, $45 for those. I like this gray color right here, but it's too long because it's an XL. $39.99. They got like khaki looking things right here from probably Nike Golf. $65, normally 90 something bucks. Holy cow. They got some warm up or some things. $110 extra premium dry fit right there. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Some cargo pants? Nike cargo pants. Whenever you find something weird like this, these are usually way premium. Yeah, $130 down to $90 freaking dollars. They got a few of these, few different sizes. These sweats right here going for $50. They got some interesting stuff. More cargo pants right here, $110. All right, let me go pay for this. Let me go pay for this and get the hell out of here. Ooh, these are interesting. The sweater type of stuff, $70 for those. That's an XL. All right, can't believe I'm getting this for under. It's like 40 bucks. All right, let me go pay for this. Get the hell out. Are you effing serious? $40. 40 freaking dollars. I had to bless someone with this. Pretty much free, dude. Pretty much free, right? Like 70% off. Dang. Holy crap. Well, okay, first of all, it's cold as shit. I'm sorry, like, we get stuck in California without jackets. I have a hoodie in my car, but it's cold as hell, man. It's cold as hell. It's getting dark now, so it is getting kind of cold. But yeah, that was insane, dude. Holy crap. I did not expect that. Holy guacamole. Like, I've been saying, hey, I need to stop buying stuff like this, especially since I end up giving stuff like this away to half the people. But that was insane, dude. $40 for dunks, especially the university blue ones, the one that everybody wanted. Like, damn, that is kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. That's what makes me want to come here a lot. That's what does make me come here a lot, because, you know, that type of stuff is crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys are not paying full price for stuff right now, because everything's getting returned, man. Like refurbished, like all that crap. Like, that's all comes from return. So hopefully you guys are scoring some of that stuff. Hopefully you guys are getting deals, because it is pretty crazy. Thank you so much for making it to the end, you guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos. Make sure you help your boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, subscribe. Make sure you help our boy out and subscribe, dude, because, man, I could use a subscription. I could use it. But yeah, appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate the members. I'm gonna try to do something for you guys. I have something coming up, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. But yeah, I got plenty coming. Stay tuned, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace.